3 major problems with brick houses. Dear friends, there is little doubt that brick homes are classically beautiful, but since the 70s construction of brick homes has steadily declined. The past few decades have brought advances in home exteriors that compete heavily with traditional materials like brick. It is easy to deduce that the natural disadvantages associated with brick have negatively impacted its popularity, particularly when compared to higher performance siding materials. Here are 3 major issues with brick that have contributed to its decline in demand. 1. Repairs are expensive and time-intensive. Brick had once been the material of choice for exteriors where strength and longevity are important. The fact that there are still historic brick homes in building are a testament to the staying power of brick. However, what homeowners unfamiliar with brick may not realize is just how expensive this material is to maintain. When damage occurs to brick, repairs are rarely a simple process. The removal of damaged or old bricks isn't as quick as simply popping a new brick in. Multiple bricks may need to be removed and mortar be replaced. Essentially, when damage occurs, the brick in the weak area must be completely removed and rebuilt. This can quickly become an expensive repair and one that isn't able to be done quickly. 2. Lack of adaptability to climate changes. Brick is a very rigid material and therefore doesn't have very much flex or give to it. All climates experience changes in temperature, but some regions have much more intense swings in temperatures or seasonal changes. Brick and mortar simply can't expand and contract when this occurs repeatedly. Eventually the brick and mortar will wear down, crack, or otherwise gradually fail. Additionally, home in regions where earthquakes and shifting are common will find out sooner or later that brick simply won't shift with the home's foundation. 3. Vulnerable to moisture damage. The porousness of bricks and the mortar used in construction can hold in moisture, especially during sustained rainy or humid weather. This is most often a problem with poor quality brick and mortar materials, but over time can happen to even fairly well-built exteriors. When moisture becomes trapped in the brick and or mortar, it invites mold and fungus to grow. The issue will only continue to worsen, eventually lead to chips, cracks, and crumbling. Moisture damage is the most common symptom of failed siding, which is a big reason why fiber cement is being seen on more homes every year. Brick will always have its own niche in home exterior design, but its drawbacks simply can't be ignored when compared to the fiber cement siding alternative. Fiber cement siding has an aesthetic appeal, excellent durability, and remains more affordable than traditional brickwork. Homeowners that are unsure of whether brick or brick veneer is a good choice for their home should consider how these two materials truly contrast to one another. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.